Welcome to Two Guys Fishing. Let's catch some fish. Go. Little shark on here. We're going for tarpon, but you know, he hit the bait. You can't, but they're here. But yeah, we're gonna show you guys at home what these are all about. It's not very big, but it's still fun. Jesus. Look at the size of him. That's a gorgeous black tip. Yeah, this is how we do it over here. We're gonna bring this one into the boat and show you guys what this guy's all about. You can eat these fish. I don't. I like to let them go. I'm not gonna keep that shark on the boat today. We will. It's a big shark. It's a big black tip. So you want to keep the tip of the pole up, right? Kind of keep his head up. It slows him down. See? Calms him down a little bit. See, you trying to bite me already? Come here. Oh! Oop! All that.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, buddy. We got a new addition to the boat today. 15-gallon Febril Aqua Life. Look at how it puts the air right up through the middle of the bucket. There's greenbacks in there this big, one of them. There's a couple in there, but it's hard to keep those alive and they're flourishing. It's a 15-gallon pump. Very impressed so far. So far. Yeah. That's what I want my alarm clock to be.
Yeah. A little something here.
A little something. Kind of a slow day, but a nice day.
Could be that shark we saw running around.
Yeah. I casted way out though.
Yeah.
New ugly stick inshore. It's supposed to be one of the most responsive rods they ever made. It's very lightweight. Yeah. Go ahead, tire yourself out, buddy. I need a beer. Oh, there you go. Took the hook. All that line I got back. Yeah! Gotta love it when you save $20 with the braid.
Ow. Yeah.
We drifted hard because it just came out hooked.
Time to move.
Real kitty, you hold it. Hey, don't worry, it's not a real kitty. If I gave him a real kitty, he'd fucking eat it.